you know, I had people work for me who, if a lady wanted a color and a single and a highlights, they'd book her for 30 minutes for the single, then they'd book her out for 30 minutes to process, and they'd maybe put in another person and then put her back in for the highlights. I hated that. You know why?
No.
If she doesn't show up, you've goofed up 2 appointments. I book 90 minutes, and here's why. Everybody's 90 minutes, because if they're 5 minutes late, they want to talk. You know, we used to have coffee and stuff before COVID. I really want their visit to be an experience. They used to grab a magazine. They used to want to talk. I mixed the color, and I'd say, you know what? If you're okay today, I just want to dance a few highlights around your face, or you really lightened in between. I know you've been to the beach, blah, blah, blah. And it really, they're paying more because it is an experience.
That's how I deal with it.
Good, good. I take a person every 90 minutes, and I don't do, and you know what? Most of my clients, if I don't need the full 90, they either want to talk. I make sure that their conditioner and shampoo are ready at the back sink. I take the price to the front desk. I make sure, I'll even say, are you comfortable? When the roller ball's going around, I check the foil and I say, are you comfortable? Thank you, because when you do that, they feel special. And
Yeah,
a lot
I
of,
don't double book. I'm all about them the whole time they're with me.
yeah, somebody said, well, they had a big, very successful salon in Seattle, and they said, well, we're really upset because we can't double book. Double booking,
It's horrible.
I couldn't agree more.